How to grow chili peppers indoors. Tips for a spicy harvest at home. Imagine stepping into your kitchen, picking a fresh, fiery chili pepper straight from your indoor garden and adding it to your favorite recipe. Sounds amazing, right? Growing chili peppers indoors is not only doable, but also a fun and rewarding project. At our channel Metict, we're here to guide you through everything you need to know about growing chili peppers inside your home, no matter your gardening skill level. Let's spice things up, and don't forget to answer this. What's your favorite chili pepper to cook with? Tell us in the comments below. First things first, selecting the right variety. Not all chili peppers are created equal when it comes to growing indoors. Look for smaller, compact varieties like the chilies, jalapeños, or cayenne peppers. These are perfect for pots and don't require too much space. Have you already picked out a chili variety, or are you still deciding? Let us know your choice. Now, let's talk about pots. Chili peppers need containers with good drainage to prevent root rot. A 2-3 gallon pot with drainage holes at the bottom is ideal. Terracotta pots work well because they allow excess moisture to escape, but any sturdy container will do. Remember, chili plants can get top-heavy, so make sure your pot is stable. What's your go-to pot for indoor gardening? Share your recommendations. Next, soil preparation. Chili peppers thrive in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Use a good quality potting mix and add some compost or organic fertilizer to boost nutrients. If you're a DIY gardener, mix garden soil with perlite and peat moss for a custom blend. Do you make your own potting mix or buy it pre-made? We'd love to hear your soil secrets. When it's time to plant, start with seeds or young seedlings. If using seeds, soak them in water overnight to speed up germination. Plant them about 1/4 inch deep in the soil and keep the surface moist. Place your pot in a warm spot, as chili seeds need temperatures of around 75 Fahrenheit to germinate. Are you team seeds or team seedlings? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Lighting is crucial for chili peppers. They need at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Place your pot near a sunny window or invest in a good grow light if natural light is limited. Without sufficient light, your plant might grow tall and spindly with fewer fruits. Have you found the perfect sunny spot for your chili peppers? Tell us about it. Watering chili peppers is a balancing act. They like consistently moist soil but hate being waterlogged. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry and always let the excess drain out of the pot. Overwatering can lead to yellow leaves and root rot, so don't go overboard. What's your trick for keeping plants hydrated without drowning them? Share your tips. Fertilizing is another key to success. Chili peppers are heavy feeders, so use a balanced fertilizer during the growing season, then switch to a fertilizer higher in potassium and phosphorus once they start flowering. This encourages more blooms and fruits. What's your favorite fertilizer for producing juicy peppers? We're all ears. As your chili plant grows, it might need some support. Use stakes or small tomato cages to keep the plant upright, especially when it starts producing fruit. A supported plant is a happy plant. Do you prefer staking or letting your plants grow naturally? Let's hear your preferences. Chili peppers are relatively pest-resistant, but indoors, you might encounter aphids, spider mites, or whiteflies. Inspect your plants regularly and spray them with neem oil or insecticidal soap if needed. Have you dealt with indoor garden pests? What's your go-to solution? Let us know. Pruning can also help your chili plant thrive. Pinch off the first few flowers to encourage stronger growth and more fruits later. Regularly remove yellow or damaged leaves to keep the plant healthy. Do you prune your plants or let them grow wild? Share your pruning stories. Finally, patience is key. It takes about 70–90 days for chili peppers to grow from seed to harvest. Once the peppers are bright and firm, they're ready to pick. Harvesting regularly encourages the plant to produce more fruit. What's the longest you've waited for a harvest? Tell us your gardening journey. So, are you ready to grow your own chili peppers indoors? With a bit of care and attention, you'll have fresh homegrown peppers to spice up your meals. What's your favorite recipe using chili peppers? Share it in the comments and let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Matext, and stay tuned for more indoor gardening tips. Let's grow something spicy together.